the good news, I think, with the trauma work is that, you know, we used to think that you had to heal every single trauma that you carry around. We realize now that we actually carry the genetic activation from at least 4 of our ancestry lineages. This is now scientifically proven that the genes that were activated in your ancestors are activated in you. That's how evolution prepares you to be prepared for what can come as in terms of danger. If we keep digging deeper and deeper and deeper into karmic and ancestors and traumas of your mother and your father and all the traumas that happen from you, from the moment you're born, you know, and your auntie gave you a kiss and you didn't want it, and you know, like, it's almost like you're gonna be in therapy for the rest of your life, right? Trauma is in the nervous system, and if we start to heal the nervous system of the person right here, right now, how it is in its damaged state, we're gonna heal the whole person, including all their ancestry, all their childhood, and they don't even need to remember or know what happened or what it was that is causing them in this very moment unease.